Therefore, I suggest 3 guidelines to help ensure that you lead a positive life. Number 1, check your thoughts. Our feelings are an indicator of what we're thinking. Positive thoughts or negative thoughts. What we say, how we're speaking, is also an indicator of what's going on inside of our heads. Positivity or negativity. So if you find yourself feeling down and sad, or that you're speaking negative words, pause and check your thoughts. Reflect on what you're thinking about inside your head. And if you find that you have negative thoughts running through your brain, turn the station from negative to positive. Flip it from the negative to the positive. Now, sometimes it helps to shake things up. Maybe you get up and go take a walk, go outside, get some fresh air, take a stroll through the office, or simply open the windows and let a breeze come through, or just stand up and stretch. But intentionally, deliberately, when you find yourself thinking negative thoughts, flip the script. Change the station from negative to positive. That's guideline number 1. Check your thoughts.